Hello students, today we will learn about the illustration number 3. Now, see the question, I'll read out the question. Mr. Ganesh Roy, dealer in Maharashtra, entered into a contract with the supplier in Udupi to deliver machinery along with essential accessories. From the information, determine the total amount of GST payable under section 15 of CGST Act 2017. Price of machinery exclusive of GST rupees 12 lakh. Installation and erection expenses charged separately in invoice rupees 92,000. Design and engineering charges charged separately in invoice rupees 1,10,000. Packing charges charged separately in invoice rupees 8,000. Pre-delivery inspection charges rupees 12,000. GST on machinery at 18%. Cash discount of rupees 50,000 was allowed as per terms of contract since full payment was received before dispatch of machinery. The machine is supplied along with accessories optional at rupees 20,000 and at the rate of duty applicable to these accessories is 28%. Find the GST payable. So here we have to calculate the GST payable. So they have given price of machinery also along with the sum of the expenses. So we have to calculate the transaction value. On the transaction value we have to calculate the GST payable. So here the GST payable, GST applicable is Mr. Ganesh Roy is dealer in Maharashtra, entered a contract with the supplier in Udupi. So Maharashtra and Karnataka, two different states. So we have to take IGST. So tax rate applicable is IGST. To deliver machinery along with the essential accessories. So from the following information we have to calculate the GST payable. So to calculate the GST payable we have to find the transaction value first. So to find the transaction value, firstly we have to take the price of machinery. So that is exclusive of GST is given. So 12 lakh we have to take directly. We want the price of machinery excluding GST. The excluding value also given here 12 lakh. We can take directly price of machinery 12 lakh. So this price of machinery we have to include the sum of expenses which are not included, which are charged separately. So installation and erection expenses we have to add. Design and engineering charges charged separately we have to add. Packing charges charged separately in invoice we have to add. Pre-delivery inspection charges we have to add. So these are the expenses which should be included for the price of supply on the for the supply of machinery. These expenses should be included. So we have to add these expenses also to the price of machinery. Next, GST rate on machinery is 18%. So on this machinery tax rate is 18%. Next, they have given cash discount of 50,000 was allowed as per the terms of contract since full payment was received before dispatch of machinery. Before the delivery of machinery, full payment has been received. So that's why they have given the cash discount of 50,000. The cash discount 50,000 directly given. So 50,000 we can directly deduct. Discount we have to deduct. Then the machinery is supplied along with the accessories. So accessory also supplied. So this 20,000 we have to add for this. Along with this we have to add even the machinery supplied along with the accessories 20,000 it is. But here these accessories are optional. These accessories are optional. It means that it is not a composite supply. It is a mixed supply. So when two products supplied together and in that one product is optional means it is not a naturally bundled, it is optional. So it is a mixed supply. So for these accessories the rate of duty or a tax applicable is 28%. So in the case of mixed supply, which tax rate is applicable? In that case of mixed supply, the tax rate applicable is the highest tax rate of goods. So in the mixed supply, there are two or more goods supplied together. There we have to take the tax rate, highest tax rate applicable in that supply. So there are two goods supplied here. One is machinery and also the accessories also supplied. So among these two, 18% and 28%, we have to take highest rate of tax. Highest tax rate, which is the highest tax rate, 28%. So here we have to take 28% as an IGST payable. So IGST will be on transaction value. We have to take 28%. Even the machinery tax rate is less here. We should not take 18%. If it is composite supply, then we have to take 18%. Here in the case of mixed supply, we have to take the highest tax rate of the supply, so that is 28% we have to take for the IGST calculation. So now we will work out the solution. Now write the heading solution. Under that write computation of transaction value. So 3 column particulars and 2 amount column. So firstly we have to take the price of machinery, that is excluding GST, 12 lakhs. 12 lakh it is, not a 1 lakh 20. 12 lakh. Price of machinery, you can take price of machinery. So price of machinery is 12 lakh. Next we have to add all these expenses. Installation and erection expenses 92,000. Then design and engineering charges charged separately 1,10,000. Then packing charges charged separately 8,000. Pre-delivery inspection charges 12,000. And along with that machinery supplied with the accessories. So accessory value of 20,000 we have to add. So totally 5 items we have to add here. So it total comes to 2,42,000. So if you add price of machinery as well as the inclusions, the value will be 2,42,000. The total it will be 14,42,000. From that we have to deduct the exclusions. So exclusions, under that cash discount they have given directly 50,000. So deduct that, you will get the transaction value. Transaction value is equal to 13,92,000. Next write the heading computation of GST payables. So here interstate supply, that is Maharashtra and Karnataka. In the bracket write Maharashtra and Karnataka. Under that write IGST. So IGST calculated on 13,92,000. 13,92,000 into 28% is equal to 3,89,760 is a GST payable. So next line write the note. Tax rate applicable is 28%. Full stop. Because in the case of mixed supply, tax rate of accessories, in bracket write 28%, is more than tax rate of machinery, in bracket write 18%, comma, hence applicable tax rate is highest tax rate, that is 28%. Full stop.